Here is how to sign up for Robinhood. When you click on the link, it will open in your browser depending on your YouTube app settings and your default browser. Either way, you will land on the page where you can claim your free stock by signing up through that link. You will receive a free stock and I will get one too, which helps support the channel. Once you are on the page, enter the email address you would like to use for your Robinhood account and click continue. If you don't already have the app, it will prompt you to download it. If you do have the app, it will open automatically and continue the sign up process there. You will see the free stock you get can be valued anywhere between $5 to $200. Next, enter your email again and then create a password for your account. After that, type in your legal name exactly as it appears on your government issued ID. You may also be asked to set a PIN code for your account. Continue filling out the required information step by step until you reach the complete sign up section. Robinhood will then verify your identity, which means you will need to provide details such as your phone number, address, and other personal information. This is required to make sure you are legally allowed to trade and use the platform. Once you have finished this verification process, your account will be set up and ready to go. And that's it. You have officially signed up for Robinhood. You will be able to explore your new account